Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna talk about some spring favorites. I have some really good product in here. I am right now in my neutral and natural makeup era, which is a bit different for me. Right now I do have a pinky look on, but in my humble opinion it is still a bit on the more simple side, because usually when I'm doing a pink look it is bright pink and a lot more poppy. But this is the makeup that I enjoy right now. So let's start with the skin. Lately I've been loving a very hydrated look. I just really enjoy prepping my skin really well before applying foundation or concealer. So my favorite SPF, it is still this one. It is the Purito Daily Soft Touch Sunscreen SPF 50. I really like this one. It is a glowy hydrating sunscreen, so you can apply this one, leave it just sink in a bit, and then apply foundation right after. And it is a good primer. But lately I've been loving mixing up primers, which is a bit unusual. Sometimes I am skipping primer like I just mentioned, but lately I tried this one. It is the Catrice Skin Glaze Hydrating Primer Serum. Look how much I already used. I just convinced myself that I need to stop using this one because it is so nice. And as well I have the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer in here. This is my favorite primer, so I already really enjoy it. But this one as well, it is really nice. You can create that type of look that is a glass kind of skin. Of course that is an exaggeration, but it looks really hydrated and very glowy and luminous, and I really like that look. So usually I apply the sunscreen, one of these, and then I even apply this one. This is from the Project Pay. It is the Plump Right Back from NYX. It is the stickier and a bit hydrating primer from NYX, and I just leave the primers sink in very well, and then I'm going in with foundation, or if it is a work day I only apply concealer and powder, and then my cheek products and everything else. And it looks so nice, and the skin is very well prepped. And I know that those are a million steps, but sunscreen is very important, and these are from the drugstore, so I really enjoy them. They are great, and the NYX one as well. Let's talk about some lip products. I've been loving a gloss. Right now I'm using the Natasha Denona My Dream Gloss. This is just so beautiful, and it looks so natural. This color is so great, and I really enjoy it, so I want to recommend this one. And something from the drugstore that I absolutely love, it is my favorite one right now. It is the Fat Oil Click Stick from NYX. This shade, it is link in my bio. Again, it is so flattering, and it looks so plush on the lips, and it's not sticky, and you can apply a small quantity and it will look just so flattering, and I absolutely love it. And it is from the drugstore. Like I said, I like it better than the Tarte ones, and I can't recommend it enough. It's just so stunning. Going with my more natural look, I absolutely love right now brown mascara. It's so beautiful, and again, on the more natural side. Today I'm wearing a black mascara just because I have lashes on, and you can't mix brown mascara with lashes because it will look very weird. But this one, the Essence Lash Without Limits in the brown, it looks so great. It is a good mascara as well, and it makes my eyes pop, and it is so natural, but at the same time it is elongating my lashes, and they look so great. I really enjoy it, and this works so great with my favorite shadow stick. This is from E.L.F, so a great look for me. It is just putting this one in the waterline, and then this one on the lashes, and it looks so nice, and my eye color is popping, and it looks so great, and it takes me like 2 minutes. So it's just a really good look. I really recommend a brown mascara. It's just more natural for every day, and I can't even believe that I'm recommending a brown mascara, because at some point I was sure that I would never try a brown mascara, because I was all about the very glam and poppy looks, but right now I don't know what happened, but I really enjoy a more natural look as well. Let me recommend though some palettes, because I just want to talk about some eyeshadows as well. Lately, like I said, neutrals all the way. But what I really enjoy right now is creating a neutral crease. Today, again, I have a pinky look. It's not a good example, but I've been loving this one. And it is so, again, so unusual for me. I have expensive palettes as well and stuff like that. But this one is just a great color story and the perfect everyday palette. This is from Wet n Wild. It is the color icon in the Call Me Sunshine array. And it has some great mattes. So usually what I do is just blend 2 of these mattes or 3 mattes in my crease. So this one, and this one, just to intensify the outer edge. And then I'm going probably in this one or other palettes and picking a very blinding shimmer. And this is the Cosmos from ABH. Just picking any shimmer, and I can create a bit of a colorful look as well. For example, if I would use the blue, of course it would be a bit colorful. So this look for today is created with these 2 palettes, and it is in the same idea. I just took some pinky shades from the Nimya palette that I absolutely adore, and then I put 2 shimmers from the Pastel palette, the shade Dainty and Limoncello. I put them on the lid and on the inner corner, and it looks really nice. I really enjoy this look. Let's talk about something that is not makeup. I've been loving for the last 1 month, maybe 1 month and a half, self tanner. I had this one from before, but it's so good. I really like this formula. It is the Bondi Sands Aero 1 Hour Express, and this one smells so nice. Of course it smells like self tanner, but it has a coconut scent as well, and it's just so easy to apply. I'm not using this one all over my body just because I'm a bit lazy, and as well it is still cold outside. I don't wear a lot of skirts and shorts right now, so I don't need to tear my legs, for example. But usually in the spring my problem is just my neck and my décolletage in here, because it is so white, and if I have a t-shirt on or something like that, my face is just the smallest, the tiniest, a bit more tanned than my neck and my shoulders, and it is so annoying. So what I've been doing, maybe it's not the best, but I just love it. I've been just self-tanning this part and my neck. It is what it is, and I'm blending it very, very well on my hands. As you can see, this part doesn't have a lot of tan, but because I am blending it pretty nicely, you can't really see it. Of course you do you, but I just want to recommend the product because it is so nice. You can just blend it on your body and then leave it for half an hour or an hour, and it looks so great. And yeah, I really enjoy it. Another product that is not makeup but I absolutely adore, it is a body mist. We are going into summer, and for sure I will use this one up in the summer and maybe repurchase it or buy something else. Sol de Janeiro, it is just a great brand for body mists. This is the number 59. I will put the notes right here. It smells so yummy and so sweet. I really like a sweet scent, so it is what it is. But I like the bottle as well, and the price is just better than a normal perfume, and it is pretty strong, so I just love it. And like I said, we are going into summer, so I am sure that this will go with me in vacations and stuff like that, and I will love it every single time. So that is that. And lastly, I just want to talk about this blush because I've been loving blush. I have some days when I'm going to work where I'm applying just blush on the cheeks, and usually it's something glowy like this one, or maybe just a bit of bronzer because I need to match my neck a bit better. But just for the cheeks, I'm skipping highlighter. I'm not applying cream products. It's just a powder blush that is shimmery, and I absolutely love it. And this is from Iconic London, and it is a dream. This is the shade So Cheeky, and it is just so beautiful and shimmery, and I really enjoy poppy, shimmery cheek. As you can see today as well, I have a bunch of products on my cheeks, but I will of course list them down below. But something shimmery is just so beautiful, and what I've been doing as well is just blending it on the eyelids in here and a bit on the temples, and it looks so great. And I have a eyeshadow kind of thing as well matching the cheeks. It's just, like I said, so natural, so beautiful, and I just love it. And it looks so great with a brown mascara as well. Everything just flows together, and I really enjoy that, with the neutral lips as well that are glossy, and the beautiful cheeks. And I just love this type of look right now. So this was everything, and I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.